Hey guys, it's Jaboticaba time. Yeah, this is when the Jabo gets its new leaves, that spring look. So today we're gonna take a closer look at the oldest Jaboticaba that I have. I also have a lot of new ones, which will take a few years to get going. But this one here I purchased around 2012 or 2013. I don't remember exactly, but it's been about 8 years, and it was around 2 years old when I got it. So we're looking at a 10, possibly 11-year-old Jaboticaba. Yeah, beautiful in spring. So it's standing at around 3 meters and let's see, 2.1, 2.2 meters wide. So let's say 3 meters by 2 meters, approximately. Yeah. It's a beauty. I wish I had bought 5 of them back then, but I didn't know much about Jabo 10 years ago. Not much at all. So I thought I'd try one and see how we go. So the big deal here today is, well, other than its new coat, is it's starting to get flower buds. It's been getting them for almost 2 weeks, but they haven't moved. They haven't bloomed. 2 weeks, just in bud mode, like that, right? Like that. And it's all over. Focus doesn't seem to be cooperative today, but you get the idea, right? So yeah, so we're waiting for these buds to open. You know, the time that I've had the tree, it's only fruited twice. The first time was 3 years ago, which gave me around 20 fruit, which was so exciting. And then it fruited again about a year or two ago, and it only gave us 5 fruit, 5 cherries, which was really sad. So I don't know why I haven't had much luck recently, but it is what it is, right? So yeah, it's getting all the little flower buds on all sides, and even up there, which is halfway up the tree. Some of you might say you need to trim it, you need to get rid of all this outer growth. But guys, I gave it a butchering about 3 years ago, and I removed all this, right? I got rid of all this. It was open, like the tree was open like that when I was finished. But I don't think I should have to do that on a regular basis. I mean, the tree grows in its natural state like this. This is not my design. This is the tree's design. So by its own design, it should fruit untrimmed, right? Shouldn't need my help. So don't know what's happening with the focus today. Wow, super naughty. Yeah, so just buds. Anyway, that's one problem. It's not flowering and it's not fruiting much. The second problem, believe it or not, once again, are those birds. In particular, the wattle bird. The wattle bird is a menace. He likes to just come in and bite off the flower buds, and when they bloom, just likes to suck the nectar out and flick the flower off the stems. So he's not helping whatsoever. with that kind of behavior. So I'm gonna net. Yep, I'm gonna have to net this huge tree because of that wattle bird. And look at this, man. Everywhere you look, there's problems. These are the last pink guavas. We've had our fill. We had about 100. But look at this. I don't want to sound like a whiner, but I don't know what kind of luck you guys get with your fruit and your birds. But every single day, this is what I wake up to if I don't net the trees. So they're my last pink guavas for 2021 with a signature from you know who. Yeah, so this is the first time I've ever put a net on the Jabo. Well, I haven't needed to much because it hasn't much fruited, right? So let's get that done and go from there. And there's the pink guava next to it. And ice cream bean up there. Still carrying a lot of beans, as you can see. See that? Even into October. Yeah, didn't want to do this, but I'm left with a little choice. What would you do? Yeah, I'm gonna have to end up netting the lychee, the longan, if that ever fruits. Maybe the star apple. I don't know what the critters are like with carambola. If that ever fruits. I'm still waiting for 10 years for the first fruit. Unbelievable. And of course for the cool climate cherries. No chance of even getting one of these without a net. No way. And the same with these longan. No chance without a net. That's the way it works here, guys. Don't know about where you are, but this is bird hell. The only thing birds are not interested in is citrus. It's the only one I can get away with, 100%, without netting. These are pomelo. And we're done. Check back, guys. Over the next month, I'll be making updates on this 10-year-old Jaboticaba, which is all bound up and no one's getting in or getting out. I'm not gonna mess around with these critters. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you from the next video. Don't forget to like and to comment and subscribe. Oh, there they are. There's the wattle right there. You'll see who he is. Now he's in the apricot tree. Hear him? They're like barking dogs. Yeah, they flew off. So guys, as I was saying, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also hit the notification bell. Bye guys.